See forward, what are textile colorants? What is the basic difference between dyes and pigments? So उसमें क्या difference होता है basically? If you have read between dyes and pigments, so the main difference is dye have affinity towards the fiber. Dye have affinity towards the fiber means a fabric or a fiber, suppose cotton, so particular type of dyes have affinity, matlab they can be dyed on a particular type of fabric for a particular type of dye. But as far as pigments are concerned, they do not have affinity. The main difference between this is they do not have affinity for a particular fabric or a fiber. So if anything do not have affinity, then how these are applied onto the fabric? They are applied with the help of binders. Means if you want to dye with pigments, if you want to color with pigments, then what you have to do is, then you need to see ki how these are dyed. So if you talk about the pigments aspect, so pigments are colored with the help of the binders. You need to apply the binders. So the main difference you can see, these are organic molecules, these are organic or inorganic molecules. Dyes are soluble, because if a particular dye is not soluble, then they are made soluble, because after they are made soluble, then only they can be applied onto the fabric. अगर वो dye soluble नहीं होगी, तो आपके fabric पे apply नहीं हो सकती है. अगर आपको apply करना है, तो उसको आपको soluble बनाना पड़ेगा. If you want to dye, then you need to make the fabric soluble, then you need to make the dye soluble to have to be applied onto the fabric. For a particular type of dye, particular type of fabrics can be dyed. We will see forward onto this segment. But for pigment case, there is no at all condition. You can apply at any fiber, at any fabrics, but just you need to apply with the help of the binders. So they have good affinity, they do not have affinity. Depending upon the nature of the fiber and nature, suitable dye fiber bonds are informed. Many times questions are asked. Which type of questions are asked? Means which type of dye fiber interaction is asked. Dye fiber interaction is asked in this. We will see some of the questions as well for gate PYQs. So, just for textile colorants aspect, if you see colorants, there are two types of colorants. These are pigments and dyes. So, pigments can be inorganic, organic. So, these are different types of pigments. You need to see just a TiO2. TiO2 is a pigment. TiO2 is used as a delustering agent. Delustering agent, you can write these notes as well as we are studying. So the delustering agent, if you want to make deluster a fabric, then you can apply the pigment TiO2. Metal oxides are used, natural pigments are used, and synthetic pigments are used, so on and so forth. But the main important aspect is dyes. Dyes are basic of two types: water soluble dyes. Please delete these things: water soluble dyes and water insoluble dyes. Water soluble and water insoluble means some dyes are soluble in water, some dyes are not soluble in water. If you want to apply water insoluble dyes, then you need to make the dye soluble. How these dyes are made soluble? You can apply wet, example wet dyes. ये क्वेश्चन कई बार गेट एग्जामिनेशन में आया हुआ है कि इफ यू वांट टू डाई विद वेट डाइज, then these insoluble VAT dye is converted into soluble form of VAT dye. How this is converted? With the help of the chemical agent Na2S2O4, sodium compound you need to use for making this insoluble fabric to be soluble in nature. So I think ये चीज आपको समझ में भी आ रही है. So these types of things you need to understand if you want to dye these particular kinds of things. So I think ये चीज समझ में आई होगी. So अब आपको बताना क्या है, एक एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ डाइस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. जैसे वेट डाइस की बात की, Na2S2O4 का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है, ये पेपर में आया हुआ है. सोडियम हाइड्रो सल्फाइड. सोडियम हाइड्रोसल्फाइड. दिस इज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज वेटिंग प्रोसेस. इस प्रोसेस को वेटिंग बोल रहे होते हैं. सो दिस इज नोन. सो यू नीड टू राइट फॉर सम ऑफ दीज पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. अच्छा. So I will just give you some of the questions as well. So this is GATE 2018 question. You can write it down. GATE 2018 question. You can write it down. A dye is applied on a fiber. A dye is applied on a fiber using Na2S2O4. Using Na2S2O4 as an auxiliary. Washing fastness of the dye. Washing fastness of the dye on the fiber is good. On the fiber is good. The correct dye and fiber combination is the correct dye and fiber combination is option A, cationic dye comma acrylic fiber. Cationic dye comma acrylic fiber. Option B, wet dye comma cotton fiber. Option C, acid dye comma wool fiber. Option D, reactive dye and cotton fiber. I am repeating the question again. A dye is applied on a fiber using Na2S2O4 as an auxiliary. Washing fastness of the dye on the fiber is good. The correct dye and fiber combination is cationic dye acrylic fiber, wet dye cotton fiber, acid dye wool fiber, reactive dye cotton fiber. So आपको इसी में बताना है कि क्या चीज सही है. So option B, wet dye and cotton fiber is true because Na2S2O4 is a reducing agent used for wet dye to convert insoluble wet dye into soluble wet dye, which is known as leuco wet dye. We will read all these aspects in detail. Also I have recorded a few lectures on these aspects. You can watch it down. Just we will read everything from its scratch. So option B is the correct option. This was a 2 mark question in GATE examination. So this is how these questions are asked. You need to know the basic phenomena of all these things in particular. So just for this, you can see this slide. In this slide it is given as suitability of dye based on the chemical nature of the fibers. Based on chemical nature means कौन सी डाई आप किस फाइबर पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो, ये इस चार्ट में दिया हुआ है. which type of dyes you can apply on what particular type of fibers, this is given in the chart. You can see it down that for cotton and rayons you can use these types of dyes: direct dye, reactive dyes, azoic dyes, wet dye, solubilized wet dye. Solubilized wet dye is known as leuco wet dye. This is soluble form of wet dye, and wet dye is insoluble in water. This is important. These are insoluble. This is soluble dye. Soluble. एक बार गेट पे क्वेश्चन आया था कि ना रिएक्टिव डाई which type of dye fiber combination is used. Dye fiber combination कौन सा यूज किया जाता है? So reactive dye में आप cotton fiber को यूज करते हो. You can see this, you can dye with this cotton, and in this covalent bond is formed. Covalent bond is formed. So covalent bond is somewhat stronger in this. Covalent bond की strength ज्यादा हो रही होती है. This is important. And other type of dyes आप कहाँ use करते हो? For acid dyes. Acid dyes you can use for protein fibers. Which are protein fibers? Wool and silk. Wool and silk are प्रोटीन फाइबर्स। अच्छा, एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है कि इफ वी डाई कॉटन विद एसिड डाइस, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? अगर हम कॉटन को एसिड डाई से डाई कर दें तो उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है? यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। सो